Buting ka mo, dira man lang.
Picturein niyo ko. Picturein.
Uy, kapangit mo. Green mo yung bag mo.
Picturein niyo kami.
Ay, bag mo ulit red man. Uy.
Picturein niyo. Dali, ano?
Kaya picture ka.
Picturein niyo kami.
Pangagat na gold kay. Pangagat mo.
Hindi. Amo ko na siya. No.
We use that for as a fertilizer. Okay? So the vermicast looks like this. These are the vermicast which the worm compose. Okay, the poo of the worm. Okay? See, look like magic syrup, the granules. Okay? So this one we can use as a fertilizer. Okay, and we feed them. Huh? We use the rice straw. This is the rice straw. And we use cacahuate leaves, the mate cacao. Okay. Then we also use the cow, goat, horse, or carabao manure. Okay, because what they eat is grasses. Okay, you cannot use like maybe you might ask, how about the pig manure? You cannot use that because they eat feed. Okay, so what we can use is the cow, goat, horse, or carabao manure. So this is the manure. Okay, this is the manure. Then, or anything is are organic. Okay, what is this?
Black
Carbonized rice hull. Okay. And that is the vermicast. Pupo sa lago. Okay. Ay na lang siya lago. Wala na siya worm. And then, hindi yan siya mabaho. Yan ang pupo na mabango. Yes. Wala baho. Ha?
This is fertilizer
Makita mo mamaya kung paano saan.
Organic
Then,
fertilizer.
vermicast already, then we harvest. Okay? So, start now. You mix it. Mix it together. Ah? Hindi na lang. So, sing, lahat kayo mag-mix.
No.
Dito, ano ninyo? Go. Oh, yan. Then you mix it. Okay, everyone must. It's a must. Ayaw lang yan. Ayaw ihaboy.
Ako ma-mix.
Wala yan siya.
Tapos na yung iba naman.
Hindi
Oh, give chance to others. Okay.
Give chance naman to others. Okay, so, then mamaya, don't wash your hands first, ha? Because you're going to plant.
Iba naman mo na.
You have to mix it thoroughly. Mix it equal.
Ato pa may damo ka black. Black spell. Wala.
Pwede kayong kukuha. Dalawa. You can get two. Ha? Dalawa lang.
Dalawa lang.
Dalawa. Okay? At least you make whole. I think two because this is the step. Ano mo talaga? Duha. You can have two. Then you have to water it.
Uy.
Water it.
I'll get to be Al. Ara ka man. Dami sir. Kulang pa sa
Ipasok mo talaga yan. Kasi mahaba na yung ano niya.
Okay na yun.
Put a ventilator water.
I think yung front, dalawang set yung ano mo.
Just,
Tubig. Sakto na ihugot, ma'am.
Hindi mo na siya i-ano. You have to add more. Add more. Ayan, yan, mas marami yan. Yan, dito lang.
Ni? Chicken.
Ay, add mo pa siya.
so slowly baka ma. Just put only
Konti
the
lang ang
small
tubig, ah.
soda.
O, damo.
The millionaire's plan.
The millionaire fund.
Dad, may bahay kubo. Okay, so you can see the bahay kubo over here. Pag, anami, wala, when you have this, it's so easy for you to get your products. Kaya lang siya sa imo, tubang balay or likod balay. Pwede mo siya makuha balay. So, you come here, pwede nyo siya ma-explore, pwede kang makasulod. Go for it.
Pwede matandaan siya.
Hindi pwede tapakan. Kita ka mo ng ornamental plants, herbal, and vegetable.
Ano siya wala ka dyan? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Happy ko lang.
Ano? Ayos? Ano ba dahil? Not. Bungog ko yung dress na. Mabuot. Doon kami sa picture. Din ako na. Alin ako gusto nga. Dire lang kuya.
Alin?
Yan! Guard. Oo, talaga yun.
One more.
Ayan. Ano? Ayan.
Ay, sir.
Dami. Ay, ikaw una dito.
Wait for Ma'am Fatima.
From Greek word, right? Okay, means labor or work. So we planted these last month. I want you to look and see how we did it. The vermicast is what we use. Video. Black one.
Yes. My name.
Hindi naman eh. Sir.
Okay, Sir Gideon will show you what's inside.
Heavy. Sir, can you help me?
Kita ba?
Ilagay na.
Okay.
Careful, may tubig to ha.
Iyan na galing.
Alright, we will see Sir Gideon, what Sir Gideon planted last month. So maybe we can see what's inside.
Okay.
Look.
A small amount of soil and the water.
Wow.
The snap.
Snap
This
A
is
And snap
snap
E.
E. That is some full of nutrients. So snap A and snap E.
Dapat make it sure na nare-reach na yung
small amount of soil, and the soil is getting nutrients from the water with a lot of nutrients. The other row, the exposed sun namin. Exposed sun.
mas it's better na may question na.
On this side, everyone, you can see, you don't have to go there. You can see na pwede man ka magtandang, maka-recycle ka mo some things like sapatos or bags. Pwede mo sa magamit, you can use these.
Wait.
So that you can see,
Si Ash na lang tawag ko sa iyo.
you can use shoes, bags. You don't have to throw them away. Yeah, hindi lang bago. Daan lang.
The one that you're not,
You're not using. Things that you're not using. Yeah.
This is look na.
Dalang lay,
Okay, let's go now. White line.
Dog.
Horse, okay. Birds, yeah, birds over there. Goat, okay, good. Now,
sheep. Boys, ganda.
the sheep are very shy. If you call them, they will not look at you. You have to feed them, like with grass, so that you can catch their attention. Okay? And the goats are friendly, but be very careful na hindi ka mo makagat or something. So, kung mag-feed lang, hindi siya pag-touch. Just don't touch them. So this branch teaches you to treat the animal with
Care.
care, with kindness. Okay? Respect and kindness. Okay? What are the two things that this branch will teach you? Respect and
Yes, talaga ma'am. Pwede ka mga salat.
marami siyang food. It's not coming.
Pag babae siya, di ba? Pag round, it has horns.
Wait. Masunod ka. Cute to.
Lamb.
Ano din yung magtaglo para ako na kayo magtaglo.
One, and two. Yes, nasa taas. Ayun ang sa baba. Pero sa baba yun ang mga worms niya. Nandun sa baba.
Kaya mo alis na lang.
The house of the worms play a part in our waste management. Doon, kung gusto mo magpuput. Mamaya, suot na tayo doon. Okay, sa lahat ng mga waste namin dito, ha, yung mga rice straw, yung mga leftovers, dyan namin nilalagay para sa worms. Okay, so lahat ng mga inano niya is mga organic. Ha? Kaya maganda siya para ipang-fertilizer natin. Mahina ko lang yung mga balat na baby.
Manang katulang.
Go.
Mamaya.
Gamay sana nga. Gamay ka.
Meron kayo mga
Dito.
I don't know how they eat. Hindi namin alam. Pero,
Teacher.
yes? Mga ano, yung banana stock.
Elisa.
Kasi malamig yan siya, so gustong-gusto nila yan. No, they will going to lay eggs here. Okay?
Ay, mali.
Yes? Wala. I don't know how they eat. What na, ano?
Huwag ka masyadong
That's to die. There's a climate change. So that the plant
Sarah? Nagaba sa bagyo ng school? Wala na kayo? Wala kayo sa school?
that's there's a reason. That is what teacher.
Pendek sa lanay.
Ay na ang atom niya.
Ayan ang ginawa ninyo kanina.
Wala, patay na po. Marami sa amin ko ako, bye.
Okay. Hello kids. So this is our rice fish model. Okay? This is the rice fish integrated farming model. Dahil pareho lang siya sa Humayan. No? But you can see there different. Yeah? Because they have the canal. Okay? They have that small canal. Huh? Yes. Ha? Oh, parang sila iba na yan. May small na kanal, no? Then ang ano niya, yung box niya, no, is different from na, makita ninyo doon sa, pan talaga. Then you can have pwede kayo may fish dyan sa, na kanal na yan. Okay? This is 10 times 15 meters wide. Okay? Yeah. And the fish, inside there is the tilapia. The fish there is tilapia.
Dude, sit there and I'll explain it. Representative lang? Oh, tanan ka mo makahibo ka doon. Yeah, everyone, you will fall in line here and then you can...
Yung ginawa ninyo, dito yung magkain. So you have to, so that matapos kayo ng maaga.
Ano yung may butang lang?
Okay, and then you can put two...
Ay, dapat lang. Sunod butang size.
Okay. Okay, you can add 2 cucumbers, 2 slices of cucumber. If you don't like cucumber, you don't have to add it. Okay. Then 2 slices of tomatoes. Yes, 2. Wow. Okay, and then the last one you can have lettuce. Yes. This is lettuce. Cabbage is different.
Idami-dami kong garbage kontra sa leo.
Okay. You can add cheese, you can add other vegetables.
Owen, you can
One here, the one.
Do you have Owen like this? Like that, huh?
Yes.
Wala ka, glove.
Owen! Owen!
Ano siya?
You can use that plate.
Ay, hindi ako. Una lang ako. Una.
Spread.
Hindi nga ako. Wala. May respeto ka man ako. Wala pa na ito. Wait muna.
Yes.
Pwede
Ka?
Pwede
Skip ka sang activity?
activity lang.
Or pwede man, you can put tuna and then... Oh, if you don't want the vegetables.
Pwede tuna lang.
Or you can make it and then you can give it to someone else. Pwede. Okay? But it's nice get to experience. Maybe someday you can make something like this.
Namit mo na.
Oo, namin na siya. Very, healthy. Yes. You can give it to someone.
Go, go, go. Next.
Ay, pwede na. Kamutan lang ah. Problema ko kamutan. Ang ka? Sige man. May mabulugan. Hello. Wala. Anilet. Lugid man. Ang sarap.
Tapos, I think,
Ayan. Ayan.
Cover your sandwich. Especially if you want to give to someone, it's better if you cover it.
Go, go.
Yes.
Ikaw man yan?
ayaw mo nang ganito.
Hindi lang. Wala ah. Grabe ka. Una.
You can put it inside. It's up to you.
Bakit?
Amen.
Diba si Manang Layer? Si Manang. Hindi ko na
Ay, di ako matayo.
Sige, plastic mo ka.
Ang sarap. So, what's mine? Ano ba yun naman ka?
Yes.
Lang, baka naman po lang.
Ay, may tuna na yan. Hindi mo.
Pikit.
Team building activity yesterday. Who do you think won? So here are the results. Okay, here are the results. Okay, as of yesterday, actually, sa after 6 nations, patas ang walang team. After 6 nations. Okay? But, nagtugang si Sir Michael Guanyo, 200 points sa red, 200 points sa blue. So in a way, medyo lapit-lapit ang scores. Before yun ang overall champion, okay, i-recognize mo yung best class or best team. Okay? Paano namin pipili? Hindi tutuwa naman yung mga marshals, mga sirs. Okay, hindi tutuwa naman kung sino yung team ang pinaka-namin ng klase. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, or T6. Without further ado, the best team, red flag, goes to and the overall champion. Ang huling score ha? Ang isang team, 7,600 points. Pero ang isang team, 8,300 points. So the overall champion goes to Team. Congratulations! 8,300 points goes to
This summit is not just a way of learning, but a way of
eradicate fun and enjoyment. And as well as they enjoy, as well as they have learned a lot of lessons. And I know that all those lessons, you could apply those in your real life. So, thank you so much, Good Kate, for being part of this 6th SEA Leadership Summit. That's all. Thank you.
Students were fun and they learned something from them. They taught us how to be a leader. We learned to cooperate with others and to focus on our activities. Every one of us is important because we are a team. We learned to be always united. We learned to mingle with other people and make friends with them. We also learned how to be a good leader and a good follower. We learned how to take care of our environment and how to put up small business while we are young. We learn different ways how to plan. Although we are all tired, but then we are enjoying. In order for you to become successful, you must have perseverance, patience, cooperation, focus, and presence of mind. These are the values we learn. The place is very nice. We can do a lot of recreational activities here, and it's very relaxing. Their staff are very approachable and willing to help us. The facilitators do their job well. They see to it that in every activity that we have, we learn something. They are active, resourceful, and ready to share their talent and knowledge to us. In the experience officers, facilitators, and the Rotary Training Center for hosting this event. I have a lot of learned, I have a lot of experiences in this training. I have learned many things like leadership, disasters, first aid, and agriculture. I have met new friends from different schools. I also enjoyed the team building activities and other activities within the lectures. When I go home, I will share my learning experiences to my fellow students and to my family. I am grateful to be a part of this experience Leadership Summit 2014. Once again, thank you and God bless us.
Good day, everyone. I am Michael Kadai from Interfaith Christian Academy Incorporated. I learned a lot in this leadership training that true leadership is not all about position, fame, or great name, but it is all about heart and dedication to help each one of us. During the training, one thing that comes in your mind is to be humble and learn to make some friends, because friends are precious like money, yet it is free. Once again, fellow items, Puso! We must live for sustainable development and make a great change in this digital world. Thank you.
Teacher, I would like to express my greatest appreciation to the SEA officers and trainers and facilitators of this remarkable event. All activities are spontaneous, icebreakers, getting to know activities, and team-building games were so much fun. Significant and practical lessons were taught in a very interactive way. Trainers, facilitators, and staff have been in high spirits since the very start of the summit, and they have consistently been very fun-loving, friendly, courteous, and accommodating to everyone. I am sure with all the effort of the SEA organization, especially our board of officers, all participants surely had a blast, and this event will be a very remarkable learning experience that all SEA participants will never forget. So once again, more power SEA. Let us welcome our SEA officers, trainers, and facilitators around the world. Thank you.
That makes me realize the life outside the four corners of the room. One of my most unforgettable experiences is when I met my new friends from the other school. That experience is very unforgettable because it makes me feel and realize that having friends and experiences is very helpful to help trust to others and to become a good leader to others. Thank you and good morning.
So, as an individual, every time you come to another level, morning, everyone. I'm Manuela Rosario, representative from Student Study School. I'm here to report and share our experiences in SIP, IPSEA, Cuba Theater of 2014. First and foremost, we really enjoyed the interview with them. We met many friends from other schools. It's tiring, but fun. We learned many things about the new leader. Now, we the best we can. Lastly, we developed our organizing and sportsmanship. We learned teamwork, cooperation, and many practical activities of being leaders. We would like also to thank all the management who has supported me, children, and the board that they are operating all private school participants for the job well done. God bless and see you next time.
Experience is the best teacher. This is my first time in attending seminars and I want to treasure these experiences. Making friends, participating in different games, and lectures with our speakers. The teachers are good and witty speakers. Going home with this knowledge and experiences is worth enough for me in my 2 days of stay at Golden Gate Training Center. Thank you and once again, good morning.
A 2 days training that is full of learning, challenges, and skills that has been developed in this course. This is the training that made me experience that I haven't experienced in my own career, and experiences that I will surely share with my schoolmates, for them who have also chosen to join the IPSEA Leadership Summit. Thank you and God bless us all. May we apply what is learning in real life and it was not only end here. Mabuhay ang IPSEA. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Everyone is clap for Linda? Come on, you do better than that.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gabriel Alpha, and I am happy to thank all those who are behind this event, the 2 days of leadership training. Everyone also has many friends or many friends, because I all believe that even in the middle of the crisis headed with Facebook, we can still be rebuilt. Even the Facebook already settled out. It's just a year ago, we should still show that the spirit of teamwork, because without teamwork, we won't be able to accomplish everything. And to my fellow students, once again, good morning.
Hey, here IPSEA teachers who have been assisting us in this 6th Leadership Summit. Here IPSEA pupils. Sa mga teachers na doon may palakpakan sa si Ma'am kay Ayon sila. Okay? Ayun na po na lang pilo ka. Have that fun. Continue next time. Okay? We understand also that you are in a hurry not to go home, but of course, not to amaze the syudad, maglantaw sa mga exciting things man. Is that correct? Makatong sa city in your way home. Sabi na. Pero, dili sa ating training, gusto na itong i-summarize anay para nga ang ating objectives pala makita ang mabalaan nyo. Is that okay? Everybody? Dear pupils? Okay, come on? Okay. So, ang atong yung first day, nag-center kita tanan sa leadership. And then, at the same time, sa hapon, nag-introduce ng technology. Then, pagkaaga this morning, you visited a barn. Okay? And, you wrap it up na nag-upra ka mo sa inyo nga. Ano ka nag-upra nyo? Okay, yung kaon nyo ay? O, nainunan nyo nga nag-upra nyo? Yes. Then, Ano na ang buong natin si Pinon na ninyo maging technology na din-learn dali sa GoToK. Magamit din. So, magamit ni taong gamit. Pero, out of that, you can already derive, no? Pwede na manegosyohan. Mapakayan sa list na affordable o kung hindi? Yes.
St. Paul Barotas Viejo. Sir, ma'am. Sara Aguipayan Christian School. Mother Carmeli. Ahoy, Christian Academy Akda. CDC Nazarene Christian School. CDC. Eka. Iloilo King of Glory. Saint Camila School, Ihap de Jesus. And Saint Mary, the Anarian of Concepcion. These are my lovely. Our officers.
Okay, we will request our officers, no, to please come up the stage, and we would like to collectively and on behalf of our officers, no, Father Edmund as our chair, and all the officers, and me as your president, we would like to say in chorus, thank you, pupil. Thank you, Sia Pupil, 2014. Thank you, Isia Pupil 2014.
Yesterday, when you came in at the gate of this place, what do they call this place again? Alright, yesterday when you came in at the gate of GoToK, my two dear pupils, a very important event in your life to becoming a leader also open. Just as Dr. Maxine was saying, you have things you like best in this place, there are events you like most, and there are people you have come to like best. Hello? Dito lang kami sa tubang. Alam mo na? Alright. Give me 1 minute. Okay. For all the things that you like in this place that opened for us yesterday for our leadership training and workshop, pwede na itong initalang-talang na lang ulit. Can we bring our teachers, facilitators home back to our school?
The